Hello everyone, welcome to Rise IS. I am Alok Vardhan and in today's Prelims Wide session, we will discuss a very important article from today's The Hindu newspaper on narco-terror and India's new emerging border threat. So, title of the today's article is India's eastern border affected by flow of opium from Myanmar, says Narcotics Control Bureau. So let's see what this article mainly discussed. So this article discussed about the how Myanmar become a major epicenter or major hub for India's narco export and what Narcotics Control Bureau in its recent report said about emerging threat from Myanmar and what Home Minister Amit Shah said about it and how porous border with Myanmar facilitates this drug trade and what is the core concept because of this golden triangle and golden crescent. As we all know, India located in the region of golden triangle and golden crescent, which is the major hub for narco export or narco trade. So India becomes vulnerable due to its location between nar- golden crescent and golden triangle. And this article also discussed about trafficking route, not drugs trafficking route, and how with the use of unmanned aerial vehicle and drone technology, these drug traffickers export drug to India. So you can ask why this topic is relevant for upcoming UPSC preliminary exam because as you can see about the about narcotics and internal threat topics about narcotics and internal threat becomes the very crucial topic for upcoming preliminary exam. As you can see, UPSC in 2024 asked a question about this. So let's start our discussion with the context of this article. So following the Taliban 2022, as you know, Taliban in 2022 ordered a ban on cannabis production and hashish production. So Taliban 2022 ban in Afghanistan, Myanmar has become the primary global opium seller. So Myanmar replaced as a primary global opium seller to India. Myanmar replaced Afghanistan. So Narcotics Control Bureau in annual report 2026 noted that India's eastern border has become a major drug distribution hub, while western border faces a sharp rise in unmanned aerial vehicle-based smuggling. So, through in eastern border, narco trade is going through mm, rail road network or through border smuggling, and in western border, usage of unmanned aerial vehicle rises. So, this gives a further problem to India to tackle narco terrorism. Now let's see about Eastern infiltration and Golden Triangle route. So Myanmar's opium cultivation rose 56% globally. So total 56% of global opium cultivation occurs in Myanmar, and this cultivation supplies opioids and methamphetamine, methamphetamine. So, which is the primary corridor used to for this trade. So, National Highway 102 via Manipur. So, this trade occurs through National Highway 102 via Manipur. And what is the secondary corridor? So, this trade also occurs from Champai, Mizoram through Barak Valley, Assam. We'll now see key vulnerability of it. So, free movement regime between India and Myanmar and porous border between India and Myanmar facilitates trafficking through Myanmar, Mizoram, and Nagaland. So, there is a porous border between India and Myanmar, and also free movement regime exists between both countries. So, this also facilitates narco narco trade between two nations. Now let's see about Western infiltration or golden crescent route. So Afghan stockpile 13,200 tons of opium continue to fuel trafficking while 93% fall in opium production in Afghanistan. And UAV used for smuggling from Pakistan increased hundredfold, reaching 305 incident in 2025. So 100-fold increase in usage of unmanned aerial vehicle in for this kind of trade. In Punjab, accounts total 58% of national seizure and followed by Rajasthan and Jammu Kashmir. So highest highest seizure of the drug syndicate or drug cartel trade is from Punjab, total which accounts 58% of total national seizure and followed by Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Smugglers use fishing vessel along with Gujarat and Maharashtra coast for this narco trade. Now let's see some fact about Narcotics Control Bureau. So Narcotics Control Bureau established in March 1986 under Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances NDPS, famously known as NDPS Act in 1985. So, who is the nodal ministry of this? So, Ministry of Home Affairs is a nodal ministry for this, and it gains constitutional basis under Article 47, Directive Principle of State Policy, and it also coordinates with Interpol and complement United Nations Convention 1961, 1971, 1988 to counter illicit drug trafficking. Now, for prelims points of view, let's see some important geographical location of Myanmar. So Myanmar located in mainland Southeast Asia. So major geographical region of Myanmar is Southeast Asia. So Myanmar borders China, Laos, Thailand, Bangladesh and India. So Myanmar share border with China, Laos, Thailand, Bangladesh and India. And India share border with Myanmar with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. So these four states, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram, share land boundary with Myanmar. Now let's see about coastline. So Myanmar share coastline in Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea. So please attempt this MCQ as this MCQ is very much relevant for upcoming preliminary exam. Comment your answer in our comment section. And thank you for attending today's session. You can download complete PDF from our website. And for further preparation, please visit our website and YouTube channel. Thank you.